Afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb. Yeah, 2012 government pass question. Question number 4. Question number 4 says political values are acquired in any given society through dash. Political values are acquired in any given society through dash. Now, when we talk of political values are acquired, simply means the transmission of political values, traditions, knowledge, etc. from one generation to another. So it's called what? So option A say political reorientation, B say political campaign, C say political socialization, D say political indoctrination. So the correct option for this is what we call political socialization. So option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.